All right, so this is my friend Reggie. Her little garden is from Home Depot. They came out and put the gardens in, and they put the hoses, and they did all this, and she's going to show me her garden right now. This is somebody's garden over here that they grew all of this in the little Home Depot beds. This one over here, somebody's growing something else in their little Home Depot bed. You can get these on Home Depot. You can.
Depot has these because a brother in Redlands.
Wow.
Has good.
Oh wow! Look at her little garden.
Yeah.
So each one of these little gardens belong to somebody different.
Yeah, we all plant it different.
Wow, this is so cool.
And see,
anybody can garden in a small space and have plenty of food for one person.
Yeah. And these are all Brussels sprouts.
All Brussels sprouts. I was wondering, my little Brussels sprout is finally starting to put some babies out. So let me ask you a question. Is this yours?
No, this one's mine.
Okay, so when a person eats, has the Brussels sprouts, do you eat the leaves too?
I have heard you can eat the leaves.
I eat the leaves and everything.
You can eat the leaves.
The cauliflower leaves, the Brussels sprout leaves, the collards. I put them all together and make one
big pot of meal.
Yes.
You know, it's always damp over here. I don't mind the little bees that be in there. But I just don't want to be dealing with the mosquitoes.
So you got centinela in yours?
Now this is
a couple of swans.
This is cucumber here.
Cucumber. Oh, you know what? I tried putting a cucumber just recently in my arrow garden. It died. It wouldn't grow.
Well, they were supposed to be bush cucumbers. Next thing I knew, they were growing vines.
Wow.
I had put a little collard green. If you look real close, you see a little zucchini coming up.
Yeah, I do.
Right there.
Oh, your marigolds in here too.
Well, the marigolds keep the biting bugs down.
Oh, I see.
That chew up your leaves. The marigolds keep, because see, these are so old, I wouldn't even cut these. But what I'm going to do is what are you
going to do? Are you going to make them for mulch?
Well, what I'm going to do, as soon as I finish harvesting all of the zucchini, I'm going to cut this and then put that in the earth to start 2 new cauliflower plants. But
wait. So is this cauliflower or collards?
I mean collard green.
Okay, so what do? Do you cut your collard off at the base? Is that what you do?
No, I left the base. And the first 3 collard green plants, I took the base out and cut the top off.
That's what I want to do with mine.
And then I just stuck that in the dirt and watered it every day.
You see this one right here? If you just cut this off and stick it in the dirt, it'll become a whole plant.
It should, yes.
Yeah,
it should.
I've done that before.
Well, that's why I'm letting it do that. Now, this is what I'm most proud of.
Let's see.
These are my, here, I'll show you this. These are my heirloom lemon.
Oh, my good lemon. Oh,
cucumbers.
My sister grew some of these one time.
And here they are.
Let me see.
So there's
how
one.
Pretty. I had one time.
I guess they're right because here's 3 more.
Oh, wow.
But can you eat these?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
well,
I can.
I'll take these 3 out because,
Have you eaten some of them yet?
Yes, and it's a very
delicious?
very mild cucumber.
It doesn't give me gas or reflux.
Yeah, there's 2
So
more
I like this kind. They're very easy on my stomach.
There's one over here. But the zucchini.
Did they give you all the little tools too?
Yeah, they gave us the tools.
Oh my goodness.
And there was no reason, no one, and they gave us the lavender, the kale.
They gave you the plants too?
They were the little plants, yeah.
Wow.
Peppers, tomatoes, and the Brussels sprouts.
Oh, how nice.
To grow. Yeah, that was all they had. And I said, well, that's good because at least folks can get started.
Yes.
People procrastinate so bad.
I know.
And you need to get started. Okay. There goes one.
Oh, thank you. Oh, look at that. That's so beautiful.
But they are so
They do grow
wild.
big, but this is nice. This is a nice size because I wouldn't eat more than that.
Yeah, and
anyway, you know what's interesting to me too? When you grow stuff in your yard, it lasts for so long.
Yeah.
You can leave it on the counter. My butternut squash. I picked one. I kept forgetting to make a video because I picked them and took them in the house and ate them so quick. I did. So I finally put a picture of them on the thing the other day. But
and I think I'm gonna get this one over here too.
oh, how nice! Now see, this is something I can eat at any time.
Yeah. So find you some marigolds.
Marigolds,
and some that have already flowered, because the marigolds, there's something in the marigold that chases away. Because you see, I don't have a lot of eaten up leaves.
No, you don't.
Because I got the marigolds all in there.
Okay, so I'm noticing that your squash, I think these are squash. Are these squash or cucumbers?
These are cucumbers.
These are the cucumbers.
These are the green
The
cucumbers.
flowers are coming on. Do you pinch the flowers off or do you leave them for the bees?
I leave them. I leave the flowers.
Oh, wow.
Because the flowers turn into the cucumber.
I know, but it looks like they're kind of going to seed, this one.
Well, they might. I'll let them.
Okay, and just keep eating off of it while it's doing it, huh?
Eating off of whatever one produces me.
Well, I am so impressed. Thank you for sharing.
Well,
so what are you going to plant in September?
Well, I'd like to try some small carrots.
That's what I just ordered. You know, I ordered some seeds from this place called the Gardening Channel.
Okay, yeah.
And
I'd like to try
I'm
some
taking
heirloom carrots.
Yeah, they're heirlooms.
Yeah.
Do you know the interesting thing I just learned? I was watching the Gardening Channel with James P. And I have tried planting carrots 5 or 6 times and they never grew real good. And what he said was to plant them and then put something on top of them. Yeah, and then let them germinate. And then, so I was talking to Precious. I don't know if you know her.
I remember her.
Okay, so she has a whole thing going on. All right. And so she said, well, just take some
mulch.
No. Just because the mulch is too heavy, they won't push through it. But the netting, you know, that white netting that you put over to keep the bugs out, do that 4 or 5 times back and forth and lay that on top of it, and then you can water the carrots straight through it. And you don't have to take that off. And then when they start growing, then you just take it off. It protects them from those little gnats that want to kill everything.